This video asks us to find some key pieces of information for this given graph. So at first we take a look at the graph, we have to come up with the name of it, and it has this point where it's kind of got that S-curve, so we do call this a cubic function. And then we have these other pieces of information, the line of symmetry, the asymptote, the function, the name, the locator point, and then of course we have to write the equation itself. So line of symmetry is, as it states up here, the line that divides a shape or an object into two identical parts. And all we're going to say here is that no, this does not have a line of symmetry because there isn't a line that would do that. Asymptote is the line that the curve gets closer and closer to but never touch. So it's a line, so horizontal or vertical line that your curve gets close to. No, this does not happen. You also have a function. So whether or not this is a function, we use our vertical line test. And so as we pass a vertical line through it, we try to figure out if it ever is going to touch. And a vertical line touches the graph only once. And so therefore, yes, it is a function. So yes, that is a function. The name of the locator point here is called an inflection point. It's a special word that we use, comes from calculus, and that is the name when you come right through that coordinate point right here at the middle. Locator point coordinate itself, that would be -5, 4, right? That's that locator point, so that's going to be important for us because that is the HK. So when you write your equation, your general equation is going to be y equals a times the quantity x minus h quantity squared, cubed, because it's a cubic, plus k. So from here, we take a look and say, all right, well, we know that our h is -5, so this turns into x plus 5 quantity cubed, and the k is 4, so we put a plus 4 here. And then as we find out what our a value is, we always go 1 unit to the right, and then whatever that rise is, or how much it goes down, and so your a value is 3, and so then you have about a 3 out in front. And that is how you work through a cubic.